It's Finn here with All Outdoors. Today I'm going to my kayak review. So, it's a pelican. It's a pelican. I don't really know what kind of pelican, but I know it's a pelican. So I got this ocean paddle with a scale. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rod holders. And then I got this MTI life jacket. It's not inflatable. And then I got some coolers back. I got a cooler back here. And yeah, that's what I need to drink. So yeah, and then I got this thing to secure my rod holder, my rods in there. So then I got some carrying handles at the front. And I got some bungees. I got some bungees to secure my tackle. And then I got some, I did have a bunchie here, but it got in the way of my rod. Well, it didn't really get in the way, I just took them off. So yeah. And then I just put my tackle in these slots right here. So I got All Outdoors and everything, okay? So yeah, and I got a carrying handle in the back. And then I got this little paddle clip in case you want to put your paddle there. So yeah. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Oh yeah, and I also got a notebook. So yeah. And then the bottom of it's just, yeah. So yeah, it's, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.